Hello, YouTube. It's time to practice. Show me what you got. Okay, this is American English File Starter Workbook, Practical English, Part 11. Would you like a coffee? Would you like a coffee? Would you like a tea? Huh? Offers and invitations. Would you like to come to my party? Good. Accepting. Accepting means say yes. Declining. Declining means say no. Okay. Order the lines to make dialogues. For example, this is number one. Would you like to come for dinner tomorrow? Or number two, hi John, come in. Would you like something to drink? Stop the video. Do it and check it with your partner. Good. Let's do it together. These are the conversations in order. Would you like to come for dinner tomorrow? Sorry, I can't. Tomorrow is my brother's birthday. Okay. Would you like to come on Sunday? On Sunday. On Friday, right? Would you like to come on Sunday? Yes, I'd love to. Thanks. Great. Is 7:30 okay? Yes, 7:30 is good for me. Can I bring something? Can I bring something? Yes, bring something to drink. Something to drink. Soda, whatever, cola, something to drink. Okay, next one. Hi, John, come in. Would you like something to drink? Thanks. What do you have? I have soda. Would you like soda? No, thanks. I don't like soda. Oh, okay. Would you like some juice? Yes, please. Juice is good. Thanks. Well done, everyone. In the next part, we have pronunciation, linking. Would you? Would you? Would you like a soda? Listen and repeat.
Practical English. Pronunciation. 1,
Would you like a soda?
2,
Would you like to come for dinner?
3,
Would you like something to drink?
4,
Would you like to go to a movie?
5,
Would you like to play soccer tomorrow?
6,
Would you like salad or a sandwich?
Well done, everyone. So would you, you link. You link. Would you? Right. Very good. Now in the next part, kinds of parties. Complete the invitations. Choose from the words below. Barbecue, drink, birthday, housewarming, card, soda, chips. For example, come to Mark's 18th birthday party. When? Saturday, May 8th, 7 p.m. Invitation, huh? Okay. Do it together. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. When? Saturday, May 8th, 7 p.m. Where? Mark's house. 18 West Street. What? Music and dancing. We'll also drink soda and eat pizza and birthday cake. Don't bring presents, please. Just bring a birthday card. Well done. Dear Lara, Maria and Tom moved to their new house last week. It's very nice. Would you like to come to their housewarming? Housewarming. When somebody buys a new house, you go there, you congratulate them. Congratulations. May you enjoy this house forever. It's on Saturday evening at 8. Let me know. Talk to you soon, Chris. P.S. P.S. means don't worry about presents, just bring something to drink. P.S. And plus. Okay, Lisa, you. Hey Jen, do you like burgers and hot dogs? Come to my barbecue on Sunday afternoon. Oh, and can you bring potato chips? Potato chips. Well done, very good. When can I come to your party? Your birthday party, your barbecue. What's your favorite party? My favorite party is barbecue party because I like meat, I like to eat. Yeah. That's it, everyone. I hope that you liked this session. Very nice. Life is a party. Celebrate it and work hard.